When accessing the 3D Experience platform from your web browser for the first time, you will be presented with a dashboard welcoming you and highlighting a few key features. Likewise, you can find additional default dashboards from a drop-down, created for you automatically based on the apps you own to help you get started right away. You can also customize and tailor your experience on the platform by creating your own dashboards filled with the content and tools focused on your role and tasks within your organization. Simply find an app to add to your dashboard from the compass in the upper left-hand corner. For example, XDesign, the rich web-enabled 3D modeling app, can be found in the west quadrant with other 3D modeling tools. Simply drag and drop the app onto your dashboard and adjust it to the desired size and it's ready to use, nothing to install. You can add additional apps as you like to the dashboard. For example, from the north quadrant, you will find social and collaborative apps like 3D Space, which gives you quick access to all of your content. Or perhaps you want a place to store favorite content you will be accessing regularly. The Bookmark Editor app is the perfect tool to organize your frequently used content. All of these apps are interactive with one another. For example, you can drag content from your 3D spaces into the Bookmark Editor. From both of these, you can drag content into a design app like XDesign to get started 3D modeling immediately. Within a dashboard, you can also add additional tabs, giving you more organizational control over what to work with and when. Maybe another tab is a better place to host content focused on your team. For example, you can drop the Communities app into your dashboard, giving you a regular feed of posts, questions, ideas, and more focused on content relative to you. Likewise, adding the Collaborative Tasks app provides instant access to all of your current tasks you're working on and makes it easy to collaborate with the rest of your team. The 3D Experience platform offers the flexibility to work the way you want with customizable dashboards and when and where you want, by always being available with just a web browser and an internet connection.